Hello Internet, welcome to another quickfire video on 8051. In this super simple yet super important video, I'll discuss the PSW register. In my opinion, this is the most important special function register of 8051. Although the understanding of this register is pretty simplistic, but this register performs supremely important functions. So let us begin with the first key point. The hexadecimal address of this PSW register is D0H. Now just by looking at the address, you can figure out that this is a bit addressable register. So the individual bits of this register have bit addresses from D0H to D7H. I'm going to label all the bit addresses. So this being the first key point, that PSW is a bit addressable SFR. Now the second key point here would be the flags themselves. Some of the flags are pretty simple. If you have studied a more basic microprocessor like 8085, you'd be aware of carry flag, which is generated on arithmetic operations, and shift operations. So basically, carry flag is the flag which is generated out of the D7th bit of the operation. The result is taken from the accumulator. If a carry flows out of D7 of accumulator, it is stored here in the D7 bit of PSW register. And similarly, auxiliary carry also happens in arithmetic operations and BCD arithmetic operations. So another key point here. Now auxiliary carry flows from D3 bit of accumulator, and F0 is a user flag which can be set as per the user requirement, but the other set of bits which are super important from the point of view of 8051's functionality is RS1 and RS0. By the way, these bits are the ones which will set or select register banks. Now if you make both these bits as 0, this is going to select register bank 0 of the RAM, and similarly it is going to select all the other 3 register banks depending upon whether it's 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. And to set or reset these 2 bits, we could use the commands setB and CLR. Of course, we know the bit addresses, so we could use D4H or D3H. So very important aspect is taken care of by these two bits in the PSW register. And the next one is overflow flag, again used in arithmetic instructions. I'll not show the functioning of the generation of these flags in this video. I want to keep the video super short. However, in other videos where I discuss arithmetic instructions of 8051, I am going to show the status of flags in each step. And finally is the parity flag, and parity flag is going to check the number of ones in the accumulator, and if the number of ones is odd, so it is going to check for odd parity. If the number of ones is odd, it is going to make this bit as 1. So another very important point, that this follows odd parity. And another, if you do not remember the bit addresses of the individual bits of this register, then these can be they have another name also, which is PSW.0, PSW.1, PSW.2, and so on. So these instructions, or as a matter of fact any bit level instruction, can be used with PSW dot, let us say 3 set B, PSW.4. they can also be used, which is a more easier and user friendly way of remembering the location of the bits. But then again, you need to remember what all flags are placed at what positions. So that's about it for the flag register, or the PSW register of 8051. And I hope this quickfire tutorial was helpful, and if you found this tutorial helpful, then give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and support the channel as much as you can. And thank you for stopping by and watching this video. Have a good day, good life. Bye.